An entrance has a 2 doorposts, okay, but it does not have a lintel. Rather, the place of the lintel there is an arch covered the shape of the bow above the doorpost. Or even a case where there is no distinct doorpost, rather the arch begins curving upwards from the floor, thus forming the 2 sides of the entrance. If the arch entrance contains a space of 10 tefachim high by 4 tefachim wide, an opening of the arch does not narrow to less than 4 tefachim before it reaches the height of 10 tefachim. The entrance is required mezuzah. So let's see. Let's read it one more time. So basically, there like a brick wall. Let's say brick wall, right? And it goes up and then arch. Like there is no like a straight lintel. Okay. So let's read one more time and see if we get more information. Entrance that has 2 doorposts but does not have lintel. Rather, in the place of the lintel, there is an arch covering the shape of the bow above the doorpost. So exactly the same, straight and then the arch. Okay, on top of the doorpost, or in even in a case where there is no distinct doorpost. Okay, so there are like only like a walls, right? The continuous walls. You see, no door. Rather, the arch begin curving upwards from the floor. Maybe it's some like old fancy schmancy buildings like that. Okay, thus forming the 2 sides of the entrance. So the arch starts from the floor. Okay, 2 sides of the entrance. If the arched entrance contains a space of 10 tefachim high, so meaning this like up to the waist high, right, 40 inches plus minus, there is the opening of the arch does not narrow less than the 4 tefachim before the arch. So first tefachim is straight, and then only it goes as an arch. It reaches heights of 10 tefachim. The entrance required mezuzah. I mean, today I don't think we have such a walls. Okay, so plus it's small. It's 10 tefachim, then arch, all of these things. Okay, so continue. Those stores, they have 1 doorpost made so that it reaches from the floor until lintel. So only 1 doorpost, okay, and the other doorpost so that it does not reach the lintel. Instead, close to the lintel, the wall is intended for amma or more. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture. I'm not sure. I have next class, so probably we have to stop. So he's do you see the picture? So basically, this is the arch and stuff. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I apologize. I would be late for my next class. Let's stop here, and we're going to discuss this whole lot.